Alright, now we're using Google Classroom pretty regularly. So I do have some tips and tricks that might help you. My hope is that you get something out of this. So I'll show you a few different things. This one's a really important tip because if you're connecting with students about their missing assignments, the easiest way to do that is here after you've graded. So I've graded all the students' work, and as you can see, Ms. Beeler did not do her work. So I can email her specifically, or I can click the students who haven't turned something in or maybe need to redo it. So I select the students that I want, click email, and you'll notice that when this emails, it actually has a blind copy for those people that it's going to. So they're not going to see each other's work. Now, I can just attach a note like, hey, get this done, and then email me to let me know that you finished it. Okay. Typically, what I will do for my sanity is I will correct it in Google Classroom. After I've corrected it in Google Classroom, I will send out emails to the students that need to complete their work, and then the next day is when I actually put it into Infinite Campus. Now the reason I do that is because grading in multiple platforms is exhausting and it's a lot of work. so I simplify it by doing it at one time in Infinite Campus if possible. So far it has never been possible. Whatever, we're working on that. If I'm using Google Forms for my assignment, there's an easy way to enter in late work scores. So I've gone through, let's say I've corrected all these, sent out the emails, hey, get this done, let me know when you're finished. So I might be getting late work in. Now, originally I would have had this organized by student last name and hour and teacher, but if I'm coming in to check for late work, if I use Google Forms, it's going to create a timestamp of that. And if I know that I corrected everything on the 19th, well, this new one on the 20th, that's one that I need to enter now. So I will add that in to the grade book, and I don't have to look for a whole bunch of things. Another tip is if I'm looking for specific people, because maybe Danita says that she turned in this assignment, and I go, no, Danita, you didn't turn in this assignment. Well, I can use find and replace. Where I'm going to find that is here in edit, find and replace, or Control H, and I can search for specific people. So Tyler, did Tyler find it? Okay. Or did Tyler do the work? Yep. See, I found Tyler here. It'll find all of the Tyler names. You can see that it's switching here as I do that. So this is a great way to identify specific students if they said they turned it in. Hopefully some of those tips and tricks are helpful to you. If not, I'm sorry, but I'll do my best to help you. You just need to reach out.